Only once every 1,000 years, the Eggscellent Challenge is that challenge. 12 eggs, chili, cheese, biscuits, and a fruit bowl. Finish in under an hour and your party eats for free. And you win this hat that says I'm Eggscellent on it. That's right, finish the omelet and get the coolest hat ever invented for free. Many have tried, none have succeeded. Could you be the first to slay the dragon and be Eggscellent? Eggscellent.
Yeah, yeah!